Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already knew. F-35 Lightning II and its integration with directed energy laser systems. Asterisk in the evolution of modern air power, few aircraft have generated as much global attention as the F-35 Lightning II, designed as a fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighter. It already represents one of the most advanced platforms in existence, yet the next chapter in its development may redefine the future of aerial combat, the integration of directed energy laser weapons. The F-35, with its stealth profile, advanced avionics, and sensor fusion, already dominates the electromagnetic battle space, but a high-energy laser system would add a revolutionary dimension. Unlike conventional missiles or cannons, a laser provides a near-instantaneous line-of-sight strike, traveling at the speed of light. This capability enables the aircraft to intercept enemy missiles, drones, or even rival fighters before they can pose a threat. Technologically, the challenge lies in miniaturizing and powering the system. A high-energy laser requires immense electrical output, stable cooling, and advanced beam control optics. The F-35's advanced onboard power architecture, however, provides a potential foundation, coupled with next-generation compact laser modules. The fighter may soon be capable of mounting a defensive and potentially offensive directed energy weapon. Strategically, this transforms the aircraft's role. With a laser on board, the F-35 would no longer rely solely on expendable munitions. It would possess a theoretically unlimited magazine, constrained only by its power supply. This changes the economics of air combat, where costly missiles could be intercepted by inexpensive pulses of concentrated light. More importantly, it signals a new era of air dominance. Stealth, speed, and precision are being joined by directed energy and invisible shield and sword. The Lightning II was conceived as a multi-role stealth fighter. With lasers, it may evolve into something far greater, the first true combat aircraft of the directed energy age, blending stealth, sensors, and science fiction level weaponry into a single transformative platform. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. Bear witness to the race for knowledge. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.